I got a vape in my mouth, and there it goes. The end of the Syma. We're out here with the Syma X23W. Now, I had one of these before, but I gave it the fly bar. But then I had an opportunity to get another one for $10, so I did. And the app keeps crashing. So we don't know what's going on with that. But I'll tell you what I might do. I might just start the screen recorder. If I can't get, yeah, the app keeps crashing. So I'll just start the screen recorder. Screw it. And then that way we won't even have to deal with it. Okay, so I'm not even worried about it. Let me turn the Wi-Fi off on this other phone, which we did, and there it is, the X23W, a real classic. So let's take off. Yeah, I had this. I gave it the fly bar, and then somebody told me, they goes, "Oh, I'll sell you mine for $10. I said, "Oh, okay, I'll buy it." It's only got 2 rates. Has a nice pitch on it for a 2-rater. This thing flies like a dream, man. This thing just smooth as glass. Until that happens. Don't know what the hell the deal is with that. Just started with, just when I say it's smooth as glass, it goes ape shit. I'm just bringing it back to me right now. It went a little bit loony there for a second. I did that flip and it got all crazy. Man, I was like, what the shit? Oh boy, don't you gotta love it. Now, how you work this trim on this thing, even though it really, it's one of them where you push the button in and then move the trigger. This is the first rate. Look how slow it is. Okay, well, the level calibration must be a little bit off because there's no wind to speak of. I did the re-leveling on it just to see. Flies great. Wish the app wouldn't quit crashing, but you know, can't have everything. It's very nimble, this thing. It's a really nice quadcopter. This thing is great for the backyard. This is one of them backyard flyer deals. Flies like a dream. Good battery life. From what I remember. There it goes again. I did that flip and okay, no more flips with this thing because it's acting that thing is acting crazier than hell when I do a flip. I mean, that thing's really acting bizarre. I'm having to dodge it. Plus it throws the kind of throws it all out of whack, man. Okay, now that I got it all stable, wow. So I'm not doing any more flips today with this thing because it's going a little bit crazy. That's the first rate here. That's just for chilling. Get out of the way, I don't want to get hit. Up, there goes the lights. Okay, let's bring it in. My $10 Syma. I got a vape in my mouth, and there it goes. The end of the Syma. All right, guys, it was a beauty. I'll talk to you later.